Airbus SE is a European aerospace corporation. The company's primary business is the design and manufacturing of commercial aircraft, but it also has separate defense and space and helicopter divisions. Since 2019, Airbus has been the world's largest manufacturer of airliners as well as the leading helicopter manufacturer. The company was incorporated as a European aeronautic defense and space company in the year 2000 through the merger of the France Aerospatiale Matra, the German DASA, and Spanish CASA. The new entity subsequently acquired full ownership of its subsidiary Airbus Industrie GIE, a joint venture of European Aerospace Company, originally incorporated in 1970 to develop and produce a wide-body aircraft to compete with American-built airliners. EADS rebranded itself as Airbus SE in 2015, reflecting its multinational origin. The company operates major offices in assembly plants in France, Germany, Spain, and the United Kingdom, along with more recent additions in Canada, China, and United States. Airbus headquarters are legally registered in Leiden, Netherlands, but daily management is conducted from the company's main office located in Blagnac, France. The SE in its corporate name stands for Societas Europasa. The company is led by CEO Guillaume Faury and is a component of the Euro Stoxx 50 stock market index. Since its inception in 2000, the company's shares have been listed on the Paris Stock Exchange, the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, and the four regional Spanish stock exchanges, including the Bolsa de Madrid. In 2024, following similar ventures launched in Singapore and the Netherlands, Airbus announced its plan to establish a tech hub in Japan to foster partnerships and prepare for the next generation of aircrafts.